Well, morning boys and girls, friends, enemies. Yeah, you're looking at an old video, I know that. A couple of reasons for this. One, I haven't been out on the bike. And two, I'm a little bit rough and dishevelled, so I don't particularly want to video my ugly mug. The reason I'm doing the video is A, to keep you informed. No, I haven't disappeared, although it's pretty close. But to say, if you want to go out on the bike, think twice. As you know, in the last video I had a dose of coronavirus. It wasn't very pleasant. In fact, it was downright shitty. And when I was doing the video, I was saying how sort of exhausted I feel. Well, the day after, I felt even worse. So, quack called. Turned out it was turning into a pneumonia. So, excuse me, making a cup of tea, because I can, sod ya. It had turned into pneumonia. So I spent the last 7 days on antibiotics and steroids. And it got pretty close. It was pretty rough. So why am I saying this? I'm saying it because I was cautious. When I went for petrol and went to the shop, I kept my mask on, my, you know, the whatever you want to call it. I used hand sanitizer religiously. Then I think my sister, who'd been shopping in Clacton, visited, and I think that's where I caught it. But it's that easy. Now, could I have caught it at the petrol station? Possible. Could I have caught it when I went for electricity the first time? Possible. But you don't realise you've got it until you suddenly wake up and you can't breathe. And then you come out of it and think, oh, whoopee, great, brilliant stuff. Feel a bit tired. And then you go down into something a bloody sight worse. I think the pneumonia is worse than the COVID, to be honest. Yeah. So I just thought I'd put up a little one, a quick one, just to let you know I haven't disappeared. I isn't dead yet. I will be back to vlogging as soon as I've got a bit of energy. But please stay off the bikes, or stay off going out. I know the urge is there to go for a walk and pop in the shop, or just, you know, going for a ride and stopping at the petrol station, or strolling down the road and having a natter with a mate. Seriously, it's just not fucking worth it. You may think it is, but it ain't. Not sure I can add a lot to that. Not a long video, not an exciting video. But I felt it was worth saying, lads. Just don't. It's just not bloody worth it. I have seen the videos of people popping out like I did. They were the lucky ones. There's a few that aren't going to be lucky. And it still isn't over. It's still not increasing. It's at a peak. People are still dying. That was it. You all stay safe. Do not go near anybody. If they get within 3 meters of you, shoot them. If they get within 2 meters and you haven't shot them, punch the bloody lights out. But remember to wash your hands afterwards. Stay safe. I'll catch you again shortly. Bye.